Subscribe to Dietpoint channel for latest update on weight loss and nutrition.
Hi everyone, this is Monica once again from Dietpoint, and today we are speaking about a very old remedy used traditionally, but what is happening is we have stopped using it somewhere. So I'm just repeating that, and that is use of garlic. Now we have been told by our elders, seniors in the family that always take garlic empty stomach, and it has been there since ages, but we just don't do it. What we do is we feel that we are eating enough garlic in food, or maybe we add extra garlic in food. What people now have started doing is also that they roast the garlic with a lot of olive oil. They brush a lot of olive oil into it, and they roast it and they have it so that they can derive the benefits. But let me tell you, even if you are roasting garlic, the main compound allicin, which is there, it gets lost, and it is evaporated kind of things. And plus, I have tried roasting garlic on my own, and here I realized that if I have to roast it well, then I'm actually using at least 3 to 4 spoons of oil to roast it well. So garlic we are asking you to use only because it is very beneficial for lowering your cholesterol and increasing your good cholesterol. It has a lot of nutrients and so on. But here, if I'm using 3 teaspoons of oil for roasting some amount of garlic, actually I'm harming myself, and then we add a lot of salt over to it, right? So of course this is not advisable. Similarly, cooking garlic is not advisable, because that then the sulfur allicin is lost, though there are other sulfur compounds which you can still get the benefits of. But we are looking for allicin when it comes to cholesterol lowering. And so if you are looking to eat garlic, you have to be eating it raw on empty stomach. You could maybe just brush a little oil, and even if it is not completely roasted, you could take that, or otherwise just eat it raw on empty stomach. What has happened is, I have seen this myself. I did this for 2-3 months, and I'm really allergic to colds in the morning, and these things have actually disappeared. It happens in months, in 10 days or so. So I have been an urticaria patient too, and I think that has reduced quite a bit in this 2 months. So that is why the video on garlic. It contains a lot of manganese, copper, selenium, fiber, very low in calories, but very good for health, especially for your heart health, for your diabetes, and also for common flu and cold. So what you could do is just take 3 cloves of garlic every single day in the raw form on an empty stomach in the mornings. Hope this is helping. In case you have any more queries, you could WhatsApp us at 986 776 2779. Thank you.